Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, on Monday, there will not be much volatility. We can expect a silent market because of bank holidays. You can see here, you can go to any economic calendar and you can just watch the events. So let's look at the chart of GBP USD. So this is the 4 hours chart of GBP USD, and as you can clearly see that GBP USD is still under pressure and the chart or the market is still trading inside a downward channel only. You can see here the last traded price of GBP USD is 1.2343. This is the last traded price here. If you look at the chart of dollar index DXY, then dollar index is showing good recovery and we can see that it's extremely bullish right now. Dollar closed at 104.22. The next resistance of dollar DXY is around 1.5.90 to 1.5.70, and it looks like that market will be heading towards this level. So if dollar heads toward this level, then obviously the pressure on GBP USD will remain and we can expect a further downside on the chart of GBP USD. So let's wait and watch how dollar reacts. And this is the chart of GBP USD. So the downward channel on GBP USD should continue as long as dollar is bullish. The next important level on the chart of GBP USD is at 1.2275. This is the next important level on the chart of GBP USD. If not a complete trend reversal, if market takes support around this area, at least you can expect a buy. At least you can expect a temporary support, and look, you can expect a profit of 30-40 pips, like we made some money on the previous support. So 1.2275 is the next level where we should be keeping our eyes, and second support is around 1.2236. These are the two levels on the chart of GBP USD right now. If you're wondering why we're considering these two levels, then let me show you. Here we have the Fibonacci retracement, and you can see that around 1.2236 we have Fibo 50 level. If you use Fibonacci, then you must know it very well that Fibonacci 50% retracement and 61.8 are good levels on the chart of GBP. They work very nicely on the chart of GBP USA. So we can expect that yes, they should work as support. If not a complete trend reversal level, at least there should be some buyers around the area and we should get a bounce. Okay, so if market bounces, we can look for a buy. I'm analyzing the market on a 4 hours time frame. You can simply switch to the 1 hour time frame, 15 minutes time frame. If market shows any good price rejection from below, that is enough confirmation. And we are considering 1.2275 because of previous price rejection around this area. So these are the two levels where we can expect the market to bounce. If market bounces, as I said, we can look for a buy position here. Now let's zoom in the chart, and as the market is trading inside a channel here, in this type of market situation, usually static support resistance do not work. Okay, but we are combining static support resistance along with Fibonacci. That's why we are hoping for a bounce. And in this type of market situation, when the market trades on a channel, the best trading opportunity is always at the resistance or the line at the top. Again, I'm repeating, whenever you'll see a market structure, market condition like this, when the market is constantly forming lower lows and lower highs, the best trading strategy is always sell at the resistance level. And here the resistance is the trend line. But here the market has already tested the trend line too many times. You can see here, market has already tested the trend line 4 to 5 times. So as a result, next time there is a possibility that buyers in the market will try to break the channel here. Okay, if that happens, you can look for next selling position around the 50 moving average. The green line is the simple 50 moving average, and we can see the 50 moving average is also playing the role of a dynamic resistance here. Right now I cannot give you the exact number, but on live market you can expect some resistance around 1.2400 level. Okay, it's better to add the 50 moving average and watch the market on live market when the market will show some recovery, or if market shows recovery, and then we can expect some resistance around 1.2450. This is the another resistance level, or where we can expect sellers to be present if GBP USD shows some recovery. As the present structure of the market is not very positive, it means that sellers are dominating the market. So in this market situation, whenever market shows recovery, there is a possibility on that whenever market will hit a certain resistance, sellers will try to push the market down again. Sell on rise is the best type of strategy that you can follow in this market situation. So if market hits 1.2450, shows price rejection from above, will give us the confirmation that yes, sellers are present, and we can also look for some selling opportunity. 1.2450 to 1.2470. Okay, this is the whole resistance zone for us. 1.2450 to 1.2470. So these are the trading opportunities on the chart of GBP USD right now. If you're already holding a buy position, sell position, be on the trade, no need to exit. I'm not trying to predict the market for the next couple of days, weeks and months, because I'm not an investor. I do not have any version for the next couple of weeks. I'm a simple day trader. I prefer to trade on levels, so this is my perspective. Your opinion may vary. If I'm wrong somewhere, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from. Okay, but personally I feel that as the market is trading inside a channel right now, so, and if you're holding a sell, be on the trade, no need to exit. But if you're looking for fresh entry, then wait for the market to come to the levels that we understand properly. So I'm wrapping it up. If market comes down and hits the support of 1.2275 around that level and bounces, we can look for a buy. In case market breaks the level 1.2275, no need to take a sell immediately, because that can be a little bit risky. Wait for the market to come down to the next level of 1.223536 level. If market bounces, if market shows price rejection from below, it is a confirmation that buyers are present and we can look for a buy. And as market has already tested the trend line too many times, if market breaks the trend line, then we have two selling opportunities. First of all, around the 50 moving average, which is acting as a dynamic resistance. As it's a dynamic resistance, we cannot have a number right now. It will be around 1.2400. If market reverses from there, we can sell. In case market breaks the level, crosses it, we can look for selling opportunity around 1.2450 to 1.2470. So these are the trading opportunities on the chart of GBP USD right now, according to my analysis. If I'm wrong somewhere, you can write it down. I would love to learn. And this is why we're considering 1.245070. You can see here we have FIBO 38.2. Along with that, we also have price ejection around the area. Okay, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Follow proper risk management. As I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. Bye bye, take care.